Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September the 16th, 2019, and my straw flowers here are ready to collect the seeds off of them. Now, you'll notice when you let your straw flowers go to seed, as these down here are, the center will start getting like real fuzzy. And at first, I was only going to let one color go to seed at a time, but some of the trees here in Pennsylvania started turning, signaling that fall was coming, and I just wanted to make sure that I got my seeds before fall time came. So I'm hoping that they didn't cross. So I'm going to show you here how to collect your seeds. Okay. So you can see here, this is all fuzzy. And what these will do is the wind will catch these like a dandelion bloom, and it'll actually blow your seeds away because your seeds are underneath. So I have my little cup here, and I'm just running my hands across here, and you can see the seeds, which is the brown part right there, is just coming right out. Now what'll happen if you don't catch your seeds in time, this whole thing will turn into a big puffball. And all it'll take is just a little bit of wind blowing, and you're going to lose your seeds. So this is the Tom Thumb straw flower mix here. And I'm only letting one variety go to seed at a time. And you're left with a flower that looks like this now, because the whole center is gone. Because they're all in this container here. So what I'll have to do is, I'm going to have to separate the seeds, which this is the seed right here that my nail is on, from these little puff balls here. And now some of these, you can see they're a lighter color. These actually did not develop. So I won't be planting those because they didn't develop. You want the dark, like tan, the dark brown ones, and they can be a little lighter brown in color. Now one thing that you want to make sure when you collect your seeds, you want to make sure that they're dry. You don't want to collect them after a rain, and you don't want to collect them when the morning dew is still on them. You want to make sure that everything is dry, because what will actually happen is your stuff will mold on you, and you don't want your seeds to mold, because then you just defeated your purpose of collecting your seeds. So I did do a video on my channel for what to look for when selecting your plants to save seeds from for heirloom plants. And I give more tips on there about how to select like your blossoms and different things that you want for the characteristics. So I'm going to put these in an envelope, and then I'm going to label it, and I'm going to store them in a Ziploc bag in the refrigerator. And that's going to give me a longer shelf life on my seeds. So you can see this one over here. I'm going to have to take this one here off because this one here is starting to go, and my seeds are actually falling out. So I'm just going to take this one here and do the same thing. And just take the seeds out, and then I'll pick all the other stuff out later. If you had maybe like a larger strainer, where your straw flower seeds could fall through it, and then the chaff from the flowers would stay in there, that would work too. Now I did do videos on my channel, and I did an entire playlist for how to grow straw flowers, and I also did a video for how to grow straw flowers from seed, for how to start them, so you can check that out on my channel. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button notifies I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!